Guys, and welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. So this one is for the winter 2025 box. I've had it sitting here waiting to be unboxed for a hot minute, so we're doing it today. So cold weather beauty edit, and then we've got the little thing that shows price values and what everything is. And for once, I think I have everything they're showing, which is fantastic. That almost never happens, and really makes me wonder if people have swiped stuff from my boxes before I get them. But anyway, so in this one, first thing we have is a sample from Good Molecules, and it's their Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. So this is just like a little single-use sachet. Like, you might be able to get two, but probably like one. The full size is 6.7 fluid ounces and costs $12. So I'll at least give this a shot. If I like it, I can always get the full size, but yeah. And then we have a sample of Jergens Shea Fusion Vanilla Crush Scented Body Lotion. And this is sample size. Full size is 14 ounces and retails for $7.50. So this one I could see myself getting, but I really have no business buying any lotions at the moment till I use some up. But that smells so freaking good, although I just realized it does not have a seal on it. Should I be concerned? I don't know, it smells really damn good anyway, so I'm not complaining either way. So, we have that. Ooh, a lippy! So from Essence, we have the Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. So, this is full size. They retail for $4.97. Wow, those went up. What color do I have? Pink Champagne. I don't know that I would call that pink champagne, but apparently they do. And this is the only one that has a little segment next to it. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips and hello to supple, moisturized perfection with Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This lip oil not only provides intense hydration, but it also adds a high gloss finish and a hint of color for a stunning pout. It nourishes your lips with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and meadow foam oil for a non-sticky formula that ensures a flawless, kissable look. So I'm going to love that, no doubt. Ooh, what are we? Oh my god, I was just talking about these. Okay, so we have a sample size of the Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub in Himalayan Salt and Rose Oil. The full size of this is 15 ounces. This is obviously not that. And retails for $7.97, which is about on par with Tree Hut, but 15 ounces versus, I believe theirs are 18. Are they not? Or am I tripping? I don't know. But it's similar. Very similar price point. Let's see. If this doesn't have a seal, I will give it a little... Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so I'll give it a sniff. Oh, that smells so fucking good. Oh my god. Okay, I wasn't gonna swear, but like, actually, wow. Whoa. Like, part of it is like really floral and nice, but part of it almost smells edible. Obviously, I'm not going to. It's a body scrub, but like... Dude, that smells so freaking good. I really hope the formula is nice on that, because I'm like, I think I might want to, like, grab some of this in its full size. I'm just going to go to Amazon right here, right now, and at least put it in my cart in case I do like it. Because if I do, I know how I am, and I'm going to want it. So, that's the Dove Body Scrub, right? Okay. And at least I'll have it open for when I finish the video. Alright. So, next, we have a sample from, what are we? Palmer's Tahitian Vanilla Moisturizing Drenching Body Cream, which, judging by the picture, looks like it's a dupe for, like, the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, but scent-wise is probably very different. The full size is 8.8 ounces and retails for $13.97. Which, if it is a dupe for the Boom Boom Cream, this will be cheaper. But yeah, I'll enjoy that. That sounds like it's going to smell really good. We have a full size from Plum Beauty, and these are the facial shaping razors. So, that's funny, because I just bought new face razors, too, not that long ago. Apparently I should have just waited, but there was no way of knowing I would get them here. So this is a full-size pack, and they retail for $4.47, which isn't terrible, but I have definitely managed to get bigger packs of face razors for cheaper than that. So, you know, it is what it is. And then finally, the last thing in here is from High Pro Pack. I've never heard of before. Intense Protein Treatment. It's a hair mask for extremely damaged hair. Way to make me feel called out. The full size is 1.75 ounces, which I guess this is in fact full size, and is $2.12 for this one treatment. But yeah, my hair can use all the help it can freaking get, so I'm pretty stoked about that. But yeah, I'll have to double check and make sure it's color friendly, but other than that, yeah. That's what I got. For as cheap as the Walmart beauty boxes are, honestly, this isn't bad. Granted, is most of it sample sizes? Yes, but honestly, they're not bad. And it's still, I think, worth the money that we spend on these. So anyway, that's it for this one. And as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.